Right, we're 40 k's out of Maun, picking up a little bit of rain. Not sure if that kind of shows on the GoPro screen. I might be going too fast to see the rain actually, but not coming down heavy. I don't need to stop and put my rain gear on. Just spitting and spotting. Well, more than spit and spot, like Robin, you the weather guy, so I suppose this is a light rain. Feels like it to me anyway. Yeah, 40 k's out. That yeah, it was all fine. It was getting a tad warm. I loosened my jacket up a bit. Been overcast the whole way. There's some ear thing going on, because when I wear my helmet for like now 6 hours in a row or so, 5-6 hours, my one little part of my right ear gets a bit sore. So it might be that thing like rugby players get, you know, from pressure on the outer ear. Not too sure what to do. I might have to just wear something to flatten the ear a bit. That's probably the most uncomfortable thing. Donkey. That's probably the most uncomfortable thing of a longer ride, because I keep having to push my helmet sideways to relieve the pressure on the ear. Becomes a little bit uncomfortable, but nothing really too bad. But I would say a stretch like this, Francis to Maun, however long that's been, is probably the, we'll call it safe. Feeling fine. Probably just, you know, it's a kind of a reasonable limit. I could do another 100 or 200 k's if I needed to, but that would be, you know, because I need to for some reason. Yeah, so I'll switch on in Maun.